Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. Today I'm gonna share with you a healthy recipe that is ladyfinger fry recipe. So this is really very healthy recipe. You should have at least a weekly one. So this is really boosts your health be better. To be honest, I was just okay. Before going to that, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notifications. I have used rice bran oil, so the color is like that. The oil of 1/4 cup, and just added mustard seeds of 1 spoon and black gram seeds of 1 spoon. To be honest, I was never really fond of eating this green veggies except this ladyfinger, guys. So now I added jeera of 1 spoon. Ladyfinger as a dash of sweetness. I remember the days when I would come home from school, and the aroma of mom cooking ladyfinger fry my heart with happiness because my favorite this is. So now I just added the onion, curry leaves, and just saute it once. Then actually this is available only in the summer time, that is from March to August. I'm so sad at that time. Only till August it is available. After that I was worried about when I'll be having this ladyfinger fry like that with chapati. I love to have. So today I'm preparing that. So yummy I'm feeling. The best time to grow ladyfinger is a packed with nutrients like vitamin A, C, B, calcium, iron, protein, fiber, antioxidants. When there's so many benefits, why you can't have this when you really love to have? I really love to have. So of course I'll be having all these benefits. So guys, if you want these benefits, please try to have it at least weekly once. Okay, now after sorting it, just sort well till the onions get fried. Then this vegetable is considered as one of the healthiest in the world. Of course, my favorite, and improves digestions. Okay, now I'm adding the ginger paste, and after ginger paste I'm gonna add 2 spoons of garlic paste. Now just sort it once again. There are so many benefits of having this lady finger fry. We can call bindi fry or okra fry, anything it might be. And this is really improves your digestions functioning, as well as prevents heart attacks and diseases. It really helps a lot, prevents the cancer formation, and it treats diabetes, boosts immune system, and it prevents kidney disease. Now I just added the 2 spoons of chili powder, 1/2 spoon of coriander powder, and pinch of turmeric, and just added. And guys, if you want you can add all this now only, and turmeric you add it now, and I've added garam masala. So just add all the finger chopped one, just fry it. I just bought half kg, and after boiling it will really become less, so I just bought more. And add salt as per your taste. And it's really boosts your immune system, prevents the kidney diseases, beneficial during pregnancy, also improves eyesight. Kids, they should have much nowadays. Everybody started having their short sight, long sight, having they're wearing specs also. So it's really now only in this young age I've seen so many going while going to shopping, that is. Now you just close with the lid so that it will cook well, and it will be cooking soon also. And it prevents kidney diseases, beneficial during pregnancy, improves eyesight, right? Eyesight, it is very beneficial, and it also improves the brain function. Who are weak in max, please have the ladyfinger fry, guys. And improves eyesight, treats migraine attacks, boosts your skin glow. Come on ladies, now you start having it. Makes your skin youthful. And many of them might be having a dream that I should not look aged, I should look very young, right? Then you should start having this. Makes your hair shiny, fights dandruff. You might be having a question saying, oh, there are any side effects of eating ladyfinger? Eating too much of anything is never good for your health. It's not only the lady finger, it may be anything. Now you just fry once again. In between, just open the lid and just see how it is frying. It should not burn at the last, so that it will turn black all the your lady fingers. And please fry in between also. Now you just, this is the time to, you can add chili coriander powder before adding the lady finger also, and after adding lady finger also you can add the 2 spoons of chili powder and 1.5 spoon of coriander powder, pinch of turmeric, you just add it, and garam masala also now only you can add if you want. If not also not a problem, that is an optional. Garam masala is optional. And now you just fry well, at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Then your fry will be ready. Guys, whatever you're having, have it, you should have a limit. Don't have too much, because you have so many benefits. I should have it every day, not every time, and this is really causes any kind of, I can't take a risk. So please have in limit. And look at this, wow, chapati yummy. Take care, bye bye, have and enjoy. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon to get my new notification.